Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Today we are making an exclusive dish that's made by rolling a thin slice of beef around the filling of meat and vegetables. This delicious dish is called Goan Beef Roulade. Step 1. Marinating the meat. List of ingredients used to marinate the meat. In a mixer grinder, add 8 red Kashmiri chilies broken into small pieces, 1-inch piece of ginger cut into pieces, 8 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, 5 cloves, 1-inch cinnamon stick broken into pieces, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, also called jeera, half teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, 2 tablespoons of Goan vinegar, 4 tablespoons of water for grinding. Add 2 now and 2 can be added later while grinding. Grind all these ingredients into a smooth paste. If required, a little extra water can be added while grinding. Ground paste for marination is ready. Half kilo of beef tenderloin. Cut it into thin slices of 5-inch by 2-inch. We got around 14 slices. You may get more or less depending on how you cut it. You can use any soft or tender cut of meat that is available. Marinate the beef slices with half the quantity of ground paste. Marinate it well, ensuring all the pieces are covered with the paste.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Cover and keep aside for at least an hour. Take around 100 grams of thinly cut pork belly or bacon slices. Add a pinch of salt. We need around 14 pieces, but you may need more depending on the beef slices you have. Add little ground paste. Mix it well. You can also use Goan pork sausages or combination of both. Cover and keep aside. Step 2. Preparing the other ingredients. We have taken 2 finely cut onions and tomatoes of medium size, 1 carrot. Cut the carrot into equal size pieces. The number of carrot pieces required will be equal to the number of beef slices that you are using.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
We have taken 1 capsicum. Cut the capsicum into equal size pieces. The number of capsicum pieces required will be equal to the number of beef slices that you are using. 1 potato. Cut the potato into equal size pieces. Step 3. Preparing the beef roulades. Place the slice of beef on a flat surface. On this beef slice, place 1 piece of pork belly or bacon or sausage, whatever you are using. Then place 1 potato slice, a slice of carrot and a slice of capsicum. Roll up the beef slice tightly around the filling to form a roulade. Tie it tightly with a thread, or you can also use a toothpick. Repeat the same process with the remaining beef slices. Step 4. Cooking the beef roulades. Place a heavy, thick bottom pan on medium-high heat and add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Place the beef roulades in the pan. Do not place them above one another All the beef roulades should touch the surface of the pan as we need to sear all of them. When you sear the meat, you caramelize the natural sugars in the meat and brown the proteins, forming a rich brown crust on the surface of the meat. This process is called Maillard reaction and it increases the flavor and improves the texture of the meat. Turn the roulades so that all the sides have been seared nicely. Sear the beef roulades for 6 to 8 minutes until they are brown on all sides. Once they are brown, remove the beef roulades and keep them aside. In the same pan, add the finely chopped onions. Add a little cooking oil if required. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Once the onions turn golden brown, add the tomatoes and stir. Once the tomatoes are soft, add the beef roulades.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Now add all the remaining ground marinade paste. Since we have seared the meat earlier, it will not release a lot of water. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. After cooking for 15 minutes, open the pan and turn all the beef roulades. Add 1 cup of water if required, as the meat will also release some water. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Gently stir or swirl the pan to mix everything nicely. Add a little water if required. Cover and cook for another 30 minutes. Check occasionally to see if there is water in the pan. Add a little water if required to prevent the meat from drying out and sticking to the pan. Open the pan after 30 minutes or else cook it until it is done and most of the liquid has dried out. Check for salt and add if required. Carefully untie the strings from the beef roulades. If you have any questions or feedback, please write to us in the comment section. Delicious beef roulade is ready to serve. Do let us know if you liked this video and see you soon with another interesting recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.